Hi, my name is Max. I'm a mechanical engineer and I'm working at MAHLE as a trainee in the Department for Product Cost Improvement, Target Costing and Benchmarking. I'm responsible for cost analytics and the implementation of saving potentials. It is exciting to evaluate potential savings and support projects to become more sustainable. The Global Career Starter Program at MAHLE is a great opportunity to get to know the company from different perspectives. In addition to that, I get the chance to develop myself further, both professionally and personally. I highly appreciated the recruitment process as there was always one certain person to ask all my questions. The transparency and honesty during the process made me feel comfortable and welcomed. My first weeks at MAHLE were very interesting and insightful, with a great onboarding experience. I was able to learn a lot about the company, the products, the projects, and got to know my team. I already got some projects assigned and was able to start working on them, which is great to be able to contribute after a short time. Coming to a new city is always a little difficult, but having a supportive training community helped me a lot. One of the highlights is the collaboration and the spirit within my team. I appreciate the way we are getting along and the opportunity to get involved and influence projects early on and become a real team member immediately. It is great to experience the relevance the trainees have for the company as we get assigned responsibility in early stages. Another highlight was the opportunity to take part in a plant workshop and afterwards working on my own tasks resulting out of this workshop. I'm really looking forward to my further job rotations to gain a deeper understanding of the company and develop my skill set further to have a beneficial impact on projects in the future. Furthermore, I'm excited for my stay abroad, doing the GCSP, and to expand my network within MAHLE.